Yo, I'm rebuilding myself for 30 days, not because I have everything figured out, but because I'm tired of being the same person. The issue is that we all know what we should be doing, but we keep avoiding it. Why do we avoid stuff like this? Because we are too comfortable. Too comfortable to go out. Too comfortable to start working out. Too comfortable to start that project. Too comfortable to actually go out there and start that relationship. And we are too scared to do all these things. So we keep avoiding it because it is uncomfortable. It is very uncomfortable. But I'm actually tired of watching all these days disappear with no change, with no progress. Well, we are human beings, so we want to see progress. We want to see where we were last year. You don't want to look back a year from now and think that's the exact same person. No, you want to see growth. You want to see a person who's been through trial and tribulation. So I don't want another month go by where nothing changes. I want to see progress, and our results are not necessary right now. They can be a byproduct of our work. This is not about becoming perfect. It's actually just about proving to myself that I can actually move differently. And I'm just like you guys. I am also doom scrolling and just taking in cheap dopamine before work, eating stupid stuff you shouldn't be consuming, just wasting time pretending to think, but I'm actually just doing nothing. We all like to think that watching a few tutorials or guides or YouTube videos will help us along the way, but it's mostly just about going out there, doing the stuff and improving each and every time. Every time you fail, doesn't matter. At least you're out there. Think about your whole gym journey. You are literally failing all the time. You are literally failing all the time, but the failing in itself is the progress. Wrap your head around that. And then you also have random distractions that takes you away from your work, away from your journey. Maybe they are part of the journey if you think about it, but it takes you away from the path, away from your mission. It takes you away from your mission. I've also used my phone to escape boredom a lot of the time, so these habits are actually making me a worse person. They are making me weaker. So here is what I'm going to replace them with. For the next 30 days, I am going to commit to actually uploading 2 to 3 videos. At least. Literally. 2 to 3 videos every single day for 30 days. So this will be the very first one. Let's see how it goes. And what I'm trying to become is more focused. I'm literally just trying to build a brand, build a company. So this is the start, this is the journey, and I really hope that it becomes something great, inshallah, God willing. At the end of this journey, we might become more focused. I'm hoping to become more focused, more disciplined, more consistent, less dependent on motivation, and just more reliant on discipline. And also show myself that I can actually follow through with something. This is day 1, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I know that I'm done standing still. So these are 30 days dedicated to rebuild my focus, my discipline, and my life. Let's see what happens. Let's build this brand. Let's build this company and see where we go from here.